Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa, how are you? Today we're going to be doing this beautiful mint green and evergreen eyeshadow look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. So, to start off, and for this entire makeup look, we're going to be using the Mint to Be eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. For the first color, we're going to be applying Get Fresh, as you see here, using a small to medium-sized fluffy brush, also known as a crease brush, and we're going to be applying this all over our crease. If you see me, or if you hear me at all throughout the video mention transition color, this is also known as a transition color. Quickly want to jump in here and say welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Please do not hesitate to comment down below any questions, concerns, or, well, not really concerns, more like questions that you may have. Any sort of products that you'd like me to try, or makeup looks as well, either with this eyeshadow palette or another one. So yeah, don't forget to do so and I'll be sure to reply. For the next step, we're going to be using this beautiful, like evergreen kind of turquoise-ish deep green color called Ice Cold. And we're going to be using a small flat brush to apply this from, to the outer corner of the eyes and to the inner corner of the eyes, leaving a space in the middle as you see here. Here you see me using the back part of my falsies, like eyelashes case. It's really more like cardstock paper. You're more than welcome to use like a postcard, not a postcard, a note card. You can use an envelope, even if you just have a piece of paper, sure, that's great. Fold it a few times so just to make it a bit thicker for you. But yeah, basically I hold this underneath my eyelid as I'm applying any sort of, usually after the transition color, because all the other colors are a bit darker than the transition color. I apply it underneath so I can kind of collect the fallout that may fall into my cheeks. Now here I wanted to go ahead and apply the same color to the lower lash line in the same places as I applied it onto my lid. So I'm going to be applying it on the lower lash line, on the outer corner, the exterior corner, and the interior corner, again leaving a gap in the middle. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to blend. I'll say it again for the people in the back. It's time to blend. Please do not skip this step. This is probably the most important step in any eyeshadow, any makeup look ever. Okay, no matter what it is you're applying onto your face or onto your cheeks, onto your eyes, you need to make sure you blend this out to make sure that everything looks smooth and well blended. You do not want it to look choppy. Like I said, I don't care if it takes you 5, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. Please do not mix this step, or forget this step. Apologies. And please make sure either to use the same fluffy brush or to use another clean fluffy brush. For the third step, we're going to be using this beautiful color that you see here called Mojito Mommy. Beautiful, like soft mint green. We're going to be using another clean, small, flat brush. It's a bit smaller than the one that I previously used because I'm applying it to a smaller part of the eye, or like less concentrated. Really, it's just going to be applied right in the center of your eyelids as you see here. I want to say that no setting spray is needed. Please take note. Again, no setting spray is needed. These eyeshadows are greatly pigmented and they apply onto your eye just as they look on the palette themselves. So like I said, no setting spray needed. Please note, you see me here applying it also onto the lower lash line, into that center space as well, because again, I wanted to match my lower lash line to my lid. And this is the final look with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything on. I really think it's beautiful. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what products you guys would like me to try or review. Please do not hesitate. I will surely reply and I'll surely take a look at them. Please make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, kisses. Bye.